Have you ever experienced that frustrating moment when your internet connection seems to drag or a video takes forever to load? You are not alone. That feeling of waiting, that slowdown you perceive, is often due to something fundamental in networking called latency. It is the silent culprit behind many online frustrations. Network latency refers to the total time delay that data experiences as it travels across a network from its origin to its destination. It is a crucial measure of network performance, and it is made up of four primary components: propagation delay, transmission delay, queuing delay, and processing delay. Understanding these elements is key to diagnosing and improving network speed. Let us dive into the why behind these delays. First, propagation delay is the time it takes for a signal to physically travel from one point to another. This is limited by the speed of light and the medium it travels through. For instance, a signal moving through a fiber optic cable or copper wire will have different propagation speeds. Longer distances inherently mean longer propagation delays. Then there is transmission delay, which is the time required to push all the bits of a data packet onto the communication link. This delay depends directly on the size of the packet and the bandwidth or data rate of the link. A larger packet on a slower link will take longer to transmit. Next, we have queuing delay. This happens when data packets arrive at a network device, like a router, faster than the device can process or forward them. They then wait in a queue or buffer. This delay is highly variable and depends on the level of network congestion. Think of it like cars waiting at a traffic light. The more cars, the longer the wait. Finally, processing delay is the time a network device takes to examine the packet header, determine its destination, and forward it to the appropriate outgoing link. This includes tasks like error checking and routing table lookups. Knowing these components empowers you to identify potential bottlenecks. If you are experiencing high latency, for example, understanding that propagation delay is often a fixed factor based on physical distance, while queuing delay is often due to congestion, guides your troubleshooting efforts. You cannot shorten the distance between two continents, but you might be able to alleviate network congestion. This knowledge also highlights why, even with very high bandwidth, you can still experience significant delays due to other factors. A key concept in network performance is the round-trip time, often abbreviated as RTT. This is the time it takes for a signal to be sent plus the time it takes for an acknowledgement of that signal to be received. RTT effectively measures the sum of all these individual delays for a two-way communication. It is a practical metric because it directly impacts interactive applications, like video conferencing or online gaming, where immediate feedback is critical. A high RTT means noticeable lag. Ultimately, grasping these four components of network latency, propagation, transmission, queuing, and processing delays, provides a powerful framework for understanding and optimizing network performance. By identifying which delay is most significant in a given scenario, you can make informed decisions to create a faster, more reliable, and more responsive network experience for everyone.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.